Hi everyone, and once again welcome back. So today I will be giving you a tour of a kitchen which belongs to a very good friend of mine. She has an open kitchen, that is non-modular kitchen. Let's check out how she has organized and arranged her small non-modular kitchen. There is a space for refrigerator. On a small glass shelf, she used undershelf for storing silver foil and other rolls. And the little corner is decorated with a beautiful DIY bottle and a lantern. Along with the shelf, she has also decorated the wall with different stickers and wall hangings and few DIYs she has done. One more DIY on the wall, and also this is the other side of the entrance which is used for storing pickles and other containers. Also one basket she has used to store food processor jars. Two beautiful golden color baskets has been used to store ginger, garlic and onions, which looks very cute. This is how the kitchen looks from the entrance. On the left side of the entrance, fridge has been kept, and on the top of the fridge she has kept a very beautiful piece of decor. There is an inbuilt shelf on which these beautiful containers of dal has been arranged with a beautiful plant. On the counter corner, she has placed her microwave, and on top small bottles of spices and dry fruits kept on a tray. One more under the shelf basket has been used to keep vegetable bags and other small necessary items she kept in small baskets. Just near the microwave, folding rack is used to arrange daily necessity items like dry atta and spice box, oil, etc. Kitchen paper towel holder is hanging with the help of S-hook. Oil and ghee kept on lovely tray near the burner. One more spice holder is kept for all the dry whole masalas. Just above that, cups and mugs are kept on a corner shelf. She has used a lazy Susan to organize few other containers. Also, she is using chopping board, Belan and pata stand right after the lazy Susan. She has a beautiful window which is decorated with small pretty baskets, few plants and other cutleries. Also, window is very well utilized by hanging plants, which I will show you later in the video. Windowsill is very well utilized with all these decorative items. Also, she has kept ceramic holders for spoon, lighter and other necessary things. Also, a wall mounted steel spoon holder has been placed just above the sink so that you can just wash and directly put them in the spoon holder. Below the sink, on a basket with all necessary cleaning material has been kept for easy access. Coming to the under counter space, this organizer with 4 big drawers is used to store various small big utensils. Lots of racks and shelf she is using to organize big container and big utensils. Also with the help of command hooks, few big pans are hung. On the other side of the sink, S-hook and other organizers are used to hang different necessary things which we use daily. Now let's check out the small balcony attached to the kitchen. She has utilized her window very nicely by using these hanging baskets, which is looking very beautiful. Other than this balcony, there is utility area other side of the kitchen. By keeping these few plants, you can beautify your small kitchen balcony with less efforts and minimum cost. In my opinion, it doesn't matter actually whether you have a modular kitchen or non-modular kitchen. Only matters how you are utilizing every bit of space you have. Hope you have liked this video, so don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon next week. Till then, bye and take care of yourself.